Why does minus plus become minus, but minus and minus suddenly become plus? Sound confusing? Not anymore. In the next few minutes, integer will become the easiest chapter for you. Let's start with the addition of integer. Always remember this rule. When signs are same, simply add the numbers and keep the same sign. So let's take an example of when plus 4 is added with plus 3. Since both the integers are having positive sign, so we are going to simply add both of them. So 4 plus 3 makes 7. Now we have to put the same sign as the integers had. So we are going to put it as plus 7. Now let's see the other example. That is when plus 5 is added with plus 2. Both of them are having the same sign. So we have to add them. 5 plus 2 makes it 7. And since both of them are having positive signs, so we will put the sign as plus 7. Now, rule 2 says when signs are different, we need to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and keep the sign of the bigger number. So in this first example, we are having an integer where one integer is positive and the other one is negative. Both of them are having different sign. That means we need to subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. That is 8 minus 3. Now 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Now this rule also says that we need to put the sign of the bigger number. Since the bigger number is 8 and 8 is having positive sign, so the answer is going to be plus 5. Let's try the same thing with the second example. That is, minus 4 is added to plus 4. Again, both the integers are having the opposite sign. That means a different sign. So that means we need to subtract both the numbers. That is 9 minus 4. And 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. But this rule also says that we need to put the sign of the bigger number. So out of 9 and 4, the bigger number is 9 and the 9 is having negative sign. So the answer is going to be minus 5. Now let's come to the subtraction of integer. Subtraction of integer becomes super easy with one magic rule. Change the subtraction sign into addition and flip the sign of the next number. Since the rule said that we need to change the subtraction sign into addition, so we will make it as 5 plus. And the rule also says that we need to flip the sign of the next number. That means if it is minus 3, I will make it as plus 3. So now both the integers are positive integers and we need to add of them. So the answer is going to be 8 over here. Let's try the same thing with the next example. First, we need to change the subtraction sign into addition. So this minus 4 plus, and we need to change the sign of the next number. That is plus 2 will become minus 2. We need to add the integers. As we can see, both the integers are having the same sign. That is, both of them are having negative. So we have to add both the numbers. That means 4 plus 2 is 6. But since the addition rules told us that we need to put the sign of the bigger number. Now the bigger number is having minus sign. So finally the answer is going to be minus 6. Now let's understand the addition and subtraction of the integers with the help of a number line. For example, we have a positive integers which is added together. For example, 2 plus 3. Both of them are positive and it should give us the answer 5. But how to solve with the help of a number line? So, whenever this is positive, we have to move right. So, as far as the number line is considered, this is my right side and this is my left side. So, I'll start from 2. And then I'm going to do 3 jumps because it is added to 3. So, 1, 2, 3. Now, let's do with the different example where we need to do the subtraction part. That is, 2 is subtracted to 3. So again, we're going to start from 2. But since it is subtraction, we will go backward and make 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. So finally, the answer is going to be minus 1. Pause this video and solve these questions yourself. So the answers for the first one is -8. For the second one, it is +5. And for the last one, it is +10. Did you get them correct? Remember these three simple rules and integer will become one of the easiest topic in math. And don't forget to subscribe to Think Mathic for more easy math learning.